Why would I need a partner? Why would I need to value the partner? Because the business is giving me everything. So people come to Pilates because it meets all of the 6 human needs of our times. Okay? You understand that certainty is one of the most important ones for most people right now. And connection. I mean, young people need connection. That's why they are constantly on Instagram and on the social media parts. And what you have to also understand, you know why you became a business owner? Because your business actually meets all of your 6 human needs. When you create a business, your business will eventually create more certainty. It will create more variety because in business, there's always something new. It will create more significance. The more you do, the better you do, the more important you become. It will create connections because unless you're connected with your product or you're connected with the people that you're selling to, there is no business. It will continuously ask you to grow because a business who doesn't grow is a business who's dying or is falling back. So you have to continuously grow. And your business is there to make people's life more valuable. A vacuum cleaner, a computer, a Pilates session is there to bring value to people's life. And your job is to bring value to those people's lives in a way that nobody else is. You have to bring way more value with what you do than anybody else out there because you care. And because you care about the 6 human needs. So if a business is happening, it's because it is literally helping you meet those 6 human needs. And that's why a lot of people spend all their time on their business and then they neglect their relationship. Because the business gives them everything. Why would I need a partner? Why would I need to value the partner? Because the business is giving me everything. And that's why you need to be very careful to not be trapped in the seduction of the business who is giving you at least 3 or 4. That's why you can become very obsessive with your business. And that's why we need to be careful that we are not just devoting all our needs being met by the business. We are still having a life outside the business. And that is very important to remember.